Good day. What we're going to talk about is our data analytics dashboard. The data that we use is related to the HR. Now we're going to find what problems do our company have and how to remedy it, or at least suggest a possible solution and identify the problems. Let's start with the general stuff. Gender ratio. We have 135 males and 175 females over all those who we have recruited over the years. And out of those 300 plus employees, around 30% of them left our company, which will affect our company drastically unless we recruit enough people, because the workload that was left by those who left our company will be then shouldered by those who are remaining, which will cause dissatisfaction among those who are left and will influence their decision if they will still remain or if they should leave also. If we do not recruit people, then it's gonna be a cycle until we cannot remedy it anymore. So let's identify those problems. One is, my hypothesis is, we don't have enough people, as you can see in the line chart on lower left of our dashboard. In this part, we can see the recruits that we have over the course of over the years, and we can see here, compared to those who left or was terminated from 2015 of June up to 2016 of September or November, we have so much employees who have left our company, but we didn't have much recruits, although in this years we still have lots of recruits. But if we do not replenish this, it's gonna affect our operations. So why did they leave our company? Listed in this chart is the reasons that they left our company, among which 20 left for another position, 14 is unhappy, 11 needs money and probably requested the salary increase but was denied, 9 had career change, 8 has conflict in their time, 7 is attendance, 5 is relocated out of the area, so probably it's gonna be challenge for them to come to work. 5 returned to school, 4 went to military, 4 was absent and didn't notify their superiors, 4 is retiring, maternity leave, did not return, 3 had medical issues, 3 has performance issues, fatal attraction, 1 has because of gross misconduct, and 1 learned that he is a gangster. Now, out of all of this, we can try to remedy the performance issues. How? We can see here that for those who had performance issues, their employee engagement is quite on the low side, as well as their employment satisfaction rate. So we can prevent the performance issues by asking those who are doing well what is their best practices and sharing those best practices to those who are struggling and has low performance issues. And as we do that, they're gonna lift each other up and can potentially prevent performance issues. Also, is uh, if the company can do it, maybe the issue and the money issues can also be solved by providing a salary increase or other perks. Unhappy, we can do this by fostering a good environment. As I have said before, this also impacts the performance issues because if we're sharing our best practices, we're also building a good environment for those who are new to our company, or even if they're a veteran in our company. Fostering a good working environment will still help those people. And we can also see here, if we filter our data for terminated costs, although we have many people who fully meet the requirements, we have lots of people that needs improvement too. So once again, this will affect the performance of not just one department, but several. If we add this two, it's almost equal to those who fully meets the requirements. So fostering a good environment is a must, and sharing the best practices for each department is also highly encouraged. For the problem of having few recruits over the course of 2016 up to 2018, we can use this data on the middle part of our dashboard and the email provider. Of all the employees that we have recruited over the years, 28% came from Indeed, 76 came from LinkedIn, 48 from Google search, 31 was referred by the employees, 29 is from a job fair, 23 career builders, 13 came directly to our website, and 2 came from other sources. Using this data, we can plan on when or where can we recruit to maximize the time and efforts of the HR. And the email, if we're gonna go on the email route, we can use this. We got this from the email that the employees have sent. The leading one is Hotmail, followed by Outlook, followed by Gmail, and then Yahoo. There's not much difference between these four, so we can use this four if we're gonna do a campaign regarding the recruitment. If we're checking here, if we check in this data, this is the satisfaction rate or the count of employees by satisfaction rate and termination or resignation reason. For those who has performance issues here, most of them came from the production team, and we have one who still gave us a high amount of satisfaction rate, but there is 2 who left us quite a low reviews. This is probably because they're struggling, and my hypothesis is no one is helping them, so they do not know the best practices. So once again, I am emphasizing the need for fostering a good working environment and sharing the best practices. Those who need more money also came most from the production team. Those who left because of maternity leave is from the sales department. Those who left because of for another position also came from the production team. Those who are unhappy, I guess most of them all came from the production team. The relocation is from the sales. One of them is from the sales. But I think most of them came from the production. Those who were absent, one of them was absent and didn't inform their superiors, came from the sales, and one is from the IT department. The rest of them, most of them, are from the production team. So that's all. Well, let's summarize the report once again. If we want to conduct recruitment campaigns, we can do so by using these charts here. And for fostering and sharing the best practices of the company, we can reduce the performance issues. And that's all. Thank you so much, and God bless you.